Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 1 hour time frame to start with. So anyways, I have my Fibonacci retracement on the dollar Swiss on the last impulsive move up because this move down definitely is looking very, very corrective. If we do get a Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, there is a pretty good chance that it will go up. But because the fact that the monthly is down, the weekly is down, and the daily is down, even if it does go up, I need to kind of assume that it may just be a pullback within the higher time frame downtrend. If we go all the way up to the weekly time frame, we can see that we are not even at a Fibonacci level. We do not have engulfing up. We do not have breaker structure up. If we go to the daily time frame, we do not have a breaker structure up. We do not have engulfing up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally am still waiting for sorts. I kind of hope that it does pop up because if it does pop up, that could be an ABC correction within a downtrend. So it could possibly give us a really nice opportunity to go short. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And also take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.